How to create a Solana trading bot. Interested in automating your Solana trades? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a Solana trading bot that can help you trade faster and more efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll need a Solana wallet, so you can create one using Phantom or Solid. Download the wallet, set it up, and make sure to secure your private keys. Sign up for a Solana compatible exchange like FTX, Binance, or Kraken. Once you've registered, generate API keys from your account settings, and these keys will allow your bot to access your trading account securely. You can either build your bot from scratch or use existing frameworks. Popular bot frameworks include Hummingbot or FragTrade. Download and install one that supports Solana or is customizable to integrate with Solana markets. Decide on a trading strategy for your bot, so whether it's a market making, arbitrage, or trend following. Write the logic for your strategy using Python or JavaScript depending on the bot framework you've chosen. Now input your Solana wallet details and the API keys from your exchange into the bot configuration, and this will link your bot to your exchange and allow it to execute trades on your behalf. Run your bot in simulation mode or with small amounts to test its functionality. Make sure it's following your strategy and executing orders correctly before you go live. And once the bot is running, monitor its performance, adjust your strategy based on the market conditions, and optimize for better results. And that's how you create a Solana trading bot. With the right setup, your bot can help you trade more effectively on the Solana blockchain. Thanks for watching.